welcome to my channel, Krrish&Abhi Hub. So it's summertime, so I'm making a bird feeder. You're going to need a milk gallon, a scissor, a marker, and paint. Also a string. Let's get started. So first we're gonna take our marker and draw a big rectangle here. So I draw a rectangle here and same on the back. And you can draw shapes on the sides. You can draw a triangle, circle, anything. I'm drawing a triangle. This side I'm drawing a circle. Now cut out the shapes. You can take adult help. Now see, we cut like this. I'm trying my best. I wasn't able to cut them easily, so you'll need adult help. And I also said that before. Now I cut it out. Now I'm going to color it. Now I colored it. Now I'm going to glue this color paper onto it. Now I have painted my bird feeder. Now I'm going to add my string. Now I'm done. Now I'm going to add some seeds here and hang it on my PTO. If the seeds get done, you open this and add seed. Or another way, you could just add seed by the entrance. I hope you liked my video and I hope you made one bird feeder with your own imagination. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video and please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.